How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Durango Gold. This is going to be their 366 FBQ floor plan. We're going to start with our basement area first. As you can see, it is very, very large. But we're going to take a look at the campsite before we head in on this fifth wheel. So you have two slide outs on the campsite here. You have two awnings as well. If you look down at the tires, you can tell that we have dual axle. And then, of course, we have to appreciate these solid steps before taking a step into the camper. But we're going to check out this half bath area first, since it is straight ahead. So you have your porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, sink, and then a little hidden gem, washer and dryer. The cool thing about the washer and dryer being in the half bath is so that it doesn't take away from your wardrobe space like it normally does. But we're going to check out the living room and kitchen area at the back of this fifth wheel next. So you have a little coffee bar area, maybe a place to put an air fryer right here. And then you have your pantry space right next to it. Nice thing about that pantry space is that those shelves are adjustable. Insane residential style fridge. Ice maker, water dispenser. You have a dishwasher built into the kitchen island with your single basin sink. And then if we move over here, you have a pull-out trash can, a pull-out cutting board, 4-burner cooktop, oven, microwave. Gorgeous. Next to that, you're going to find your entertainment center. This is a smart TV with your sound bar, fireplace, and then a little bit of extra storage, as you can see, behind the TV. At the very back wall of this fifth wheel, you're going to find this couch. It does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. Nice windows surrounding with those blackout shades and day shades with storage up above. Directly across from your entertainment center, you're going to find your theater seating. You have cup holders, chargers in the middle, and it does flip up in case you do need some extra elbow room. They do recline as well. Then next to that, you're going to find your dinette. This dinette is a little bit different than what you've normally seen before. It does move and groove to however you see fit. So it can be in an L-shaped, it can be in a opposite L-shaped, it can be in this shape with a little bit of storage in the middle there for you guys. If we go up these stairs, we're going to run ourselves into the main bedroom. This is going to be a king-size bed. You do have windows and shelves and lights up above, as well as storage underneath the mattress as well. And then across from all of that, you have your own slide out, so it really opens the space up. Fireplace, window, another TV, and a couple of shelves on either side of the TV, which is super cute. But we're keeping on going, guys. We've got a main bathroom up here with your dual vanity, dual mirrors. Your wardrobe is going to be up front here. So you have all the space in the world. It's on motion light. Just keeps going. And then across from all of that, you're going to find your shower. A little bit of extra storage on the right there. You have a skylight in that shower for some headroom. A little seat. And of course, the seat, your other porcelain toilet. All right, guys. This is going to be your 2025 Durango Gold 366 FBQ. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Insane residential style fridge, ice maker, water dispenser. You have a dishwasher built into